Hello and welcome to Friday Excel BI. Today I want to share 5 dates issue and their solutions through Power Query. This dates issue includes date as text, date as number, date with different regional setting, creating dates with months, creating date with split column. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get new videos notification. Let's start the video. In the first problem, we have a column of dates where date is written as year, month, date. Now we want to convert this column into date data type. For that, select the column and click on the data type icon. You can also press Ctrl down arrow to access the data type menu. Now select the date and we got the error. To solve this type of issues, first convert your column into text and now convert text data type into date by adding another applied step. For that, click on this data type icon and select date. Add new step. Problem has been solved. In next problem, we have dates but in number format. First convert this column into number data type as whole number and now convert it to date. Add new step. Problem has been solved. In the third problem, we have mixed date format. Some dates are written in US style and some are written in UK style. My windows follow the US regional setting, which I can validate from the regional setting option. Another way to validate your regional setting is go to File, Options. From the regional settings, you can check out your local settings. So again, it is following the US style. So how to convert this sort of issue in Power Query? For that, click on this data type icon and choose using local. We will select the data type as date and local is UK, English, UK, United Kingdom. Press OK. All dates are converted. In fourth issue, we have month name and we want to create date from this month name. We can either add a date or year. I am adding year in month column. For that, go to Transform, Format, Add Suffix, comma, 2022. OK. And now select data type icon and date. The fifth and the last problem of this tutorial is we have been provided year in one column, month in second column and date in third column. And we want to combine this column to create one single date column. For that, select individual column. Make sure you are following the right sequence. So I am starting my selection from the year column, then month column and then date column. That means my year is labeled as first in the sequence, month as second in the sequence and date column as third in the sequence. Now in the Transform tab, text column, I have this merge column option which I can also access by right click and merge column. Separator is comma and my new column name is date. Okay. Now convert this data type to date. And we successfully solve all 5 problems. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you let me know by leaving a comment and a thumbs up below. You can also give your suggestion for future videos in comments. See you in next tutorial.